A downside, let's put it in sports mode. Welcome to a new video. This time I am with the Hyundai Inster. This one is the Pulse version with 49 kilowatt hours of battery, and this car has 115 horsepower. So from 0 to 100 kph the car goes in, I think, 10 seconds, 10 or more. So it's a very compact car, a compact EV actually. It's almost has 1300 kilograms. Yeah, like I said, very compact car with a width of 1 meters and 61 centimeters. So that makes this car a 4-person car, 2 seats in the front and 2 seats in the back. For a person as me with 1.83 meters of height, it's very comfortable in the back, and the seat is adjusted to my height. So the steering wheel is the same as the Ioniq 5 and the 6. But what I most of all like from this car are the physical buttons. Like you can adjust the AC with the buttons and not with the touchscreen or something like that. The seats are from a fabric, a recycled fabric. We have over there a Type C and a USB-A port and a 12-volt connection. In front of me we have two 10.25-inch screen. This one is the multimedia infotainment system with navigation. A downside of this multimedia system is you can use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but you have to use a USB-A cable. So that's a downside, but over here there is a wireless charger. The space in the car is limited. It's a small car, so it is limited. So my height, like I said, is like I mentioned, is 1.83 meters. So I have plenty room over here. If you are a bit longer than me, I think you will have a problem with your knee. What do we have? That's also a nice thing to have. You can use the camera. Alright, we have different driving modes. We are now driving, let's try Eco. So it's very windy today. It's also rainy. It's a rainy day. So in 7 minutes I drove like 4.8 kilometers, and it used like 17.5 kilowatt hours of energy. The seats are very comfortable, guys, and the headroom is also very good for a compact car like this. I really like it. With the pedals over here, you can set the one pedal driving. Hyundai calls them iPedal, and it works really good. This is the plus, that one is the minus. Level 3, level 4 is the iPedal. It really works great. So over here we have also a small compartment and hand glove. The price of this car starts at 24,000 euros in the Netherlands, and with some upgrades, it can be 30,000 euros plus. They use cheap hard plastic material, but the steering wheel, it's not very soft, the leather they use, and I think it's not real leather, but vegan leather. But it's also not too soft, so it's somewhere in the middle, but it's comfortable to drive with it. All right, let's put it in sports mode and drive from So in sport mode, the pedal is very reactive. There are also safety systems like let's see, adaptive cruise control. Always a thing. All right, let's put it on 80. Adaptive cruise control with lane assist. My hands are free. Let's see what he does. So with this lever you can adjust the speed. He asked me to hold the steering wheel. I will let it go. That's pretty impressive, right? Right. So when you engage the lane assist and the adaptive cruise control, the iPedal goes out, and when you disengage, then the iPedal comes back. So that's good to know. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, and let me know what you think about this car. And I see you on the next one.